Are you ready to discover the secrets of the root of life? Ginseng has been celebrated for centuries for its incredible health benefits and fascinating history. This quiz is your chance to dive into the world of ginseng. Test your knowledge and learn more about this amazing herb. This quiz covers everything from the different types of ginseng to their health benefits, how they're prepared, and their traditional uses. You'll find out about the active compounds in ginseng, its effects on your health, and tips on how to include it in your daily routine. Ready to start? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of ginseng together. Enjoy the quiz! Introduction to ginseng. What is ginseng primarily known for in traditional medicine? A. A natural stimulant. B. An anti-inflammatory. C. A sedative. What does ginseng typically taste like? A. Sweet and fruity. B. Bitter and earthy. C. Spicy and tangy. Types of ginseng. Which type of ginseng is known for its calming and cooling properties? A. Korean ginseng. B. American ginseng. C. Siberian ginseng. Which plant is often referred to as Siberian ginseng? A. Eleutherococcus senticosus. B. Withania somnifera. C. Panax quinquefolius. Health benefits and uses. Which compounds in ginseng are primarily responsible for its health benefits? A. Ginsenosides. B. Alkaloids. C. Flavonoids. How does ginseng potentially help in managing blood sugar levels? A. By increasing insulin production. B. By reducing insulin resistance. C. By slowing glucose absorption. What is the effect of ginseng on blood pressure? A. It raises blood pressure. B. It stabilizes blood pressure. C. It lowers blood pressure. How long does it typically take for ginseng to exhibit its full effects when taken regularly? A. 1 to 2 days. B. 1 to 2 weeks. C. 4 to 6 weeks. How does Korean red ginseng benefit male sexual health? A. By increasing serotonin levels. B. By reducing melatonin production. C. By enhancing nitric oxide production. What effect does Korean ginseng have on female sexual health? A. Enhances sexual arousal and satisfaction. B. Lowers libido. C. Supports hormonal balance. Which ginseng variety has shown potential in improving chemotherapy outcomes for cancer patients? A. American ginseng. B. Korean ginseng. C. Siberian ginseng. Preparation and consumption. What is a common culinary use of ginseng? A. Adding to soups and teas. B. Flavoring sauces. C. Cooking with seafood. What is the recommended daily dosage range of ginseng supplements for most adults? A. 100 to 200 milligrams. B. 200 to 400 milligrams. C. 400 to 600 milligrams. Transformations and specific varieties. What is another name for Panax ginseng commonly used in traditional medicine? A. American ginseng. B. Siberian ginseng. C. Korean red ginseng. What process is used to transform Panax ginseng into Korean red ginseng? A. Steaming and drying. B. Fermentation. C. Sun drying. What color does Panax ginseng turn into after the steaming and drying process? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Green. Additional benefits and characteristics. Which type of ginseng is known to improve cognitive function and mental clarity? A. Panax ginseng. B. American ginseng. C. Siberian ginseng. Which type of ginseng is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is often used to manage arthritis symptoms? A. Panax ginseng. B. American ginseng. C. Panax notoginseng. What active compounds are found in Siberian ginseng that differ from those found in other types of ginseng? A. Ginsenosides. B. Eleuthericides. C. Flavonoids. Which ginseng variety is often used to enhance libido and sexual function? A. American ginseng. B. Korean ginseng. C. Siberian ginseng. If you learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe.